on calculus. He said if y equals to what? 3x raised to the power of 4, find the y over the x. They gave us option. A is 3x squared, B is 12x cubed, C is 3x cubed, D is 16x cubed. What is the correct answer? Alright, I want you to solve it and drop your answer in the comment section. Thank you. Now you have to solve it. Solution. First, to find dy over the x. Dy over the x. We're going to have, this is unknown, right? This is what they asked us to find. Dy over the x is unknown. Now, from this question they gave us, from y equals to what? 3x to the power of 4, right? By the formula of finding dy over the x, know that if you have a function y equals to x raised to the power of n, for us to get dy over the x from this general formula of power rule, our dy over the x is equal to what? The n, this is the power we multiply this entire function. This is going to be n multiplied the entire function of what? X raised to the power of n, right? Then subtract 1 from that same n minus 1. This is the general formula we use when we solve what? Calculus in this power rule. Now let's apply to this question. So from this guy, y equals to 3x raised to the power of 4 that they gave us. For us to get our dy over the x, our dy over the x is going to be what? Equals to, now this power, by this formula, this power now will come down here and multiply this entire word function, which is multiplied by what? 3x raised to the power of 4, right? Then minus 1. Subtract 1 from the power, that's the power. So we're going to have this guy here. Therefore, our dy over the x become what? Equals to 4 times 3 is what? 12, right? 12. Then we have our x here, right? Then 4 minus 1 is what? 3. So our final answer is what? 12x raised to the power of 3. This is how to find this kind of question using what? Power rule in calculus. So our final answer is what? 12x raised to the power of 3, which is what? B. Thank you very much. If you know that this tutorial is helpful to you, I would like you to follow this page